For this 4th of July, I'm going to talk about the most greatest locomotives in the American Railroad. Hope you guys enjoy.
You idiot! You've fallen for it again! You've fallen for the rat trap!
1814, we took a little trip along the Colonel Jackson down the mighty Mississippi. We took a little bacon and we took a little beans, and we caught the bloody British in a town in New Orleans.
Hey, you fall for it again, you cheeseburger eating fuck. Welcome back to another Top 10 Models riVeT COuntERS CRING. Yeah, American edition. Wait, hold up. Wait, what? What do you mean 4th of July already passed? Oh. Welcome to late 4th of July's riVeT Top 10 Models riVeT COuntERS CRING. And today we're gonna look at models from AHM, Lifelike, Bachman, and Tyco. Oh! Let's begin. Now, first model is AHM Seaboard Coastline and Heritage Unit. Now, I'm gonna do a bit of research because this was poorly done because I had a plan to do this video yesterday and to upload it today, well, to make it today and be late on purpose, but yeah, I did not rehearse this because with the top 10 models riVeT COuntERS CRING, you don't expect quality, you expect horribleness. Now the reason why riVeT COuntERS, now back to the series, the reason why riVeT COuntERS cringe at this GP40 high hood, I think it's a GP40, it's because the Seaboard Coastline did not have this type of diesel. They have this X model numero 2. This U-boat and Heritage Unit. Now the reason why riVeT COuntERS hate this is because it doesn't have Seaboard Coastline and it's missing a blue paint on the trucks and tank. If you want me to stop doing this voice, too bad. And if you compare it to the locomotive itself in real life, one significant detail, the Seaboard Coastline logo on the nose, bad model, bad. Shame on you, AHM, Rev Rossi, Italians, X model numero 3. Yes. Is this Lifelike American Heritage Unit F Unit? I'm trying to sound drunk as possible for this video. Now the reason why riVeT COuntERS cringe at this also is because it's a toy. It's not a model train because no railroad has a 1776 F unit. I could search it up right here with horrible camera quality. See guys, look at the cow catcher. Now, I don't know about you, but railroads always paint their cow catchers because, yeah, Number 4, and it's Tycho's F unit. Now you see, this is a ripoff of the Seaboard Coastline livery. You see the stripes, the eagle, the flag, and none. Number font, and it has the blue bottom. Hold on, let me see if it actually has a blue bottom, like in this eBay picture. Apparently it does.
Cock and ball torture, CBT, is a
But that still doesn't save it from being toy-like and making river counters cringe. Next model, J.C. Penney. Other Tycho Spirit of 76 engine. Now you see, this is too elongated. And besides, Seaboard Coastline doesn't have this type of diesel. I think they don't have this type of diesel. And besides, if you look at the price, $15.99. It's like model trains cost $50. So this is too toy-like for river counters. This is a bit more dried up because not only this is rushed, but I was hoping like to upload this like at 1 p.m. like the other 2 episodes. Yeah. But who cares about that? Back to model number 5. And it's Tycho's Spirit of 76. 460. Now this is again a ripoff of the Seaboard line. Not only does it have the stars on the striping, but no railroad has a 460 in that livery. Yeah. Next model is Lionel's FA American Freedom Train. Now I know this was in the first episode, but shut up. This supposed to be horrible. The series itself is supposed to be horrible. But the American Freedom Train never had a FA. No. They had a sandwich PA. Now to the number 9. It's back to Lifelike, and it's another steamer. Lifelike 040 tank engine. Now, I kind of like this, and to be honest, I like every other engine in this episode. But this is top 10 models every kind of screenshot, so. As you can see, it's another ripoff of the Seaboard Seaboard Coastline Railroad 1776 livery. With the stripes and eagle. Now, they were smart on this one. They added stars on the stripey, but if you look at the rivets on the tanks, domes, that part, the funnel and smoke box, no. The tank engine this locomotive is spaced after has 69. Haha, unfunny 69 joke. And our last set from Bachman 7. it is their bicentennial set. I'm yelling because my little brother is crying in the background. Anyway, as you can see here, look at ignore the coach and the boxcars. Because riVeT kind of just weathered the hell out of them or repaint them to a union. I don't know what riVeT kind of do with these. Maybe to just put them like in an HO museum in the railroad. But then again, they don't make up shit. They copy an exact replica of a real life railroad in the southwest point of Alabama. But back to the Norfolk and Western diesel. The NW never have this type of diesel. No. They have another sandwich diesel. This diesel. Oh my god, what is this series becoming? And this is the 3rd episode. And that's it. If you're sad that we had to interrupt at the 8-minute mark, guess what? I don't fucking care, because the next episode of Top 10 Models riVeT Kind of Cringe will come on tax day. And we're gonna talk about models that riVeT Kind of Cringe. No shit. Bye. I'm gonna hate this episode. Bye.